It's good. It seems as if Dwayne Extell has recovered. The athletes are out there, almost ready.
So we can actually talk track and field and champs now?
Yes, we can, as we always do. Let's start with the lineup here. And we have, it should have Lewis, Bell, Moxham, Kelly, Cohen, Berry, and Stewart. I think this is the girls.
Yeah, the Class 2 girls 100
meter hurdles.
No qualifying races earlier today, so it's straight to the semi-final round for the Class 2 girls in the 100 hurdles. The favorite is Akila Bell out of Wilmers. There she is. Nobody has been close to her this season in the Class 2 girls 100 hurdles. Remember last year she was second behind her schoolmate Tiana Marshall. Marshall now in Class 1. And Bell now starts as favorite. Sometimes the pressure of being favorite can be monstrous. Saw her at the corporate area championship. She won the race. She ran her fastest time of the season. But I just detected a little bit of nerves in that final. Maybe that experience will help her manage the tag of favorite coming into this one.
And of course, when you get to championship, there's, as you pointed out, there's a difference in, you're in the event and Tiana Marshall is expected to do well. She's expected to win and you get a silver medal behind her in a Quinella. It's so much different when you're the one now being hunted. It's how you deal with it, how you treat it. And I'm pretty sure that Bell should manage things, and we'll see in a little while. There's Moxham from Fear Technical.
Three semi-finals, so the top two are short of a place in the final, and then the next two fastest on times. This is one of the events the Wilmers fans are really looking forward to, because they know that come tomorrow there will be the possibility for back-to-back gold medals.
So only 5 athletes will go in this one. Lane 2, Michaela Lewis from Petersfield, not there. And Otavia Stewart from Old Harbour should have been in lane 8, also not there. So here's Akila Bell, silver medalist from last year, representing Wilmers girls in 3. Martina Moxham from Veer Technical, she's in 4. Kira Lowell Kelly from Immaculate, she's in 5. Jasania Cohen from Hydel is in 6. And Shalome Berry from Alpha is there in 7. Can she get some inspiration from her teammate who broke the record earlier in Class 3? Let's wait and see.
On your marks.
So once again, Bell from Wilmers Girls, Moxham from Fear Technical, the Central Championship silver medalist, and Kira Loy Kelly from Immaculate in 5. Jasania Cohen from Hytel in 6. Shalome Berry from Alpha in 7. Lanes 1, 2, and 8 empty.
Set.
They're sent off. First time of asking. Bell gets a good start on the outside. Berry from Alpha is also going strong. Bell is flying. Here comes Berry. The corporate area teams will take the top 2 spots. 13.10 for Akila Bell from Wilmers Girls. 13.15 confirmed for Bell through to the final. Top 2 are short of a spot. It means that Shalome Berry from Alpha is also through with 13.58.
Expert qualification this for Akila Bell of Wilmers. No nerves here. A personal best performance in the first round. 13.23 last year. at Champs was her previous best. She had done a wind assisted 13.08 this season, but the wind is legal here, and so she gets this as a personal best. Fabulous effort. It was never in doubt. From the very first hurdle, she took control. She is a fabulous starter, and no one else could connect in this race.
And there she is, flying, just gliding over the hurdles. And took Barry with her. Looks very calm, very relaxed as well. And very easy. Back into the finals. Silver last year. No, she's eyeing gold.
She is such an overwhelming favorite. She now has the 5 fastest times in Class 2 this season.
13.15 for Bell. Barry 13.58. Moxham from Veer Technical 13.70. We'll have to hope